My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect Birdfy to the Wi-Fi. So guys, if you want to reconnect your Birdfy to the Wi-Fi, so guys, you just follow this video. So guys, first of all, prepare your phone. So turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and open the Birdfy app. Remove the camera on the app's home screen to your current Birdfy devices and delete or unbind it so you can add it to a new. Press and hold the power button on the camera for 3 seconds and to turn it on. Then double press the power button so you should hear a periodic chime and the blue light will start flashing. Another thing is guys, in the app tap the option of plus icon in the bottom right corner and select your specified Birdfy model. Follow the app instruction to scan the QR code and locate it on the camera and wait for the app to detect your device. Then you select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. After that, if the app failed to connect, so confirm your router is not combining 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz network under one name, which often confuse the camera. Okay, so outdoor devices are sensitive to placement. If you are connecting to the drop, so try to moving the feeder temporarily closer your router to stabilize the initial connection. For specific network setting or troubleshooting step, visit the Birdfy help center. So guys, thank you.